We got the Christmas tree.
You guys okay?
Oh, look at that little tree.
Alright, we're walking down Edgar Street right now. We'll be there in about 5 minutes.
Oh, look at that cute little one. Oh, look at that one right
Boy, it took us a minute to get that one. Deep in the forest. We're coming.
You okay? You need a break? Look at my shoulder.
I thought you had it on your shoulder, Noah.
I did, but I let go of it for a second.
Oh, now you try to carry it with the hand, it'd be too heavy. Had to come in the deep forest for it.
You okay?
Yeah.
You guys are gonna go down the hill now.
Alright. Right on your butt. No, I'm kidding.
Oh yeah, let's do this continue. No, I don't.
You don't want to slip because you're gonna take them with you.
These boots are supposed to be non-slip, but there's no grip on them. So.
Not that slip on mine.
Okay, well, if I fall, I'm gonna fall on you, okay? So you can bring me back up.
It's chilly, right? You got some snow.
We should try to trip to the snow sometime.
Yeah. He hasn't been to the snow yet, so yeah, this will be his first time. He's never seen it.
Well, I thought it was longer than you said it. You said it was fine. Here you go. The snow's fun.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna drive there with a couple of my friends.
Snowboarding?
Yeah.
Yeah, it should
Even
be.
like with like doing like one of those like what's up that you know when they get like the boards like the sleigh
Yeah?
and you slide down the road sledding, that's so fun. I've run into snow a couple times, I don't remember it though. I've like officially gone to the snow and remembering it. Like remembered it. I feel like last year. I drove to the snow with my friends.
There's a Tesla 4-wheel drive?
Yeah.
Oh, that's all-wheel drive then.
Yeah.
That's perfect. No chains?
Nothing. Like going up here, I wasn't even slipping or anything. And then the Miata, I slip, like whenever I drive in like the water, the rain, I'm always slipping all over the place. But Tesla's fine.
Oh, yeah.
Tesla's a beast. What's up with this big toilet trailer like this?
Watch out.
Who's that? Who got that shoe? Huh? Whose shoe is that?
Oh, you have the shoulder. Can you stand it up so we can see?
Oh yeah. Let's stand it up, okay, bro? Good.
They're tired.
I got it.
Oh, that's a cool one. Yeah, that's a nice one. And just trim it.
Yeah, we're gonna do it, Bob and Cedric. Hey, homie, go grab
Yeah,
it.
that's a good one.
Bottom.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
You know from Psycho?
Yep. That's funny. Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah, I got it. That's a good one, Edgar.
Hold on.